Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Road Warriors Official 1. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic cars to ever hit the streets, the all-new Toyota Supra Mk4. Now, for those of you who are fans of performance cars or just car enthusiasts in general, this one's a classic that has transcended time. First off, let's talk about the history behind the Mk4 Supra. Released in 1993, this car quickly became a legend, and even today, it continues to turn heads. The Supra Mk4, or the A80 as it's also known, was a massive leap forward from its predecessors in terms of power, design, and engineering. It took Toyota's performance credentials to a whole new level, with the turbocharged 2JZ GTE engine at the heart of it. But let's fast forward to today. The all-new Supra isn't just a throwback, it's a bold statement of what the future of performance cars looks like. Under the hood, we have a modern inline-six engine that's been developed with BMW, delivering a punchy 382 horsepower. This isn't your run-of-the-mill sports car. Rather, the Supra has been designed to handle with precision and power, just like the Mk4 that came before it. What really sets the new Supra apart is its handling. Toyota's engineers have crafted a car that's nimble and responsive, giving you that pure sports car experience. Whether you're taking tight corners or flying down a straight stretch, the Supra feels like it was made for the road. And for all the purists out there, don't worry, you can still get that 6-speed manual transmission if you want to feel every shift and rev in your bones. But the Supra isn't just about speed and handling, it's also about style. The sleek, aggressive design of the new Supra might remind you of the Mk4's sharp lines, but there's a modern twist that makes it stand out in today's world. The front grille is bold, the headlights have that signature Toyota look, and the rear end is built for performance, with a wide stance and a rear diffuser that's ready to handle whatever speed you throw at it. Inside, Toyota hasn't skimped on luxury. The cabin is driver-focused, with a cockpit that feels more like a race car than a daily driver. The materials are premium, and the tech inside is top of the line, including an infotainment system that's easy to use and perfect for those long drives or weekend cruises. Now, let's talk about one of the most important aspects of the Supra's legacy. The Mk4 Supra's reputation is legendary, thanks to its appearance in films like Fast and Furious, and its ability to handle aftermarket tuning. It's a car that has become a staple in car culture, and Toyota knows that they've managed to blend that nostalgic charm with today's modern performance and technology. So, what's the verdict? The all-new Supra Mk4 doesn't just pay homage to the classic, it takes everything that made the original a legend and improves upon it. It's fast, it's beautiful, and it's ready to conquer the streets. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button if you're as excited about the new Supra as we are. Be sure to subscribe to the channel for more car content, and we'll see you in the next one.